Word on the street right now is Robinhood is going out of business. Robinhood is going out of business. Now, why? If you guys don't know what Robinhood do, Robinhood is this app and it allows people to trade stocks for free. Now, this is really, really awesome. This is a great idea because before Robinhood, you would have to pay a commission. You'd have to pay like maybe anywhere from $7 to $15 per trade. So if you want to buy shares, you'd have to pay a commission. If you want to sell shares, you'd have to pay a commission. And this is, you know, this is not the coolest thing in the world if you ask me. Why do you have to pay a commission to buy and sell? So Robinhood started offering free stock trades, and I really love Robinhood. And Robinhood, a lot of young people have signed up with the Robinhood account, and a lot of young people have started to invest. Now, the Robinhood app is very, very simple to use. There's not a lot of stuff on the screen. It's just very, very simple. You can hit 4 buttons and you can purchase shares. Now, if you go to Charles Schwab, you're gonna have to hit more than 4 buttons to purchase some shares. But Robinhood has just made it very, very simple. Robinhood is basically the millennial trading platform. And so now the bad part about it is you have companies like Charles Schwab, which is huge. They're one of the hugest stockbrokers around. And now they are going to offer free stock trading. Now, Robinhood kind of finds himself at a disadvantage here because Charles Schwab has a lot of physical locations. If you have a problem, you can like literally go to a physical location and get help. With Robinhood, I don't know if you guys have ever had problems with Robinhood, but you kind of have to like email them and people just don't get back with you. But with Charles Schwab, you will not have that problem. I actually have a Charles Schwab account and it's just really easy to call them. Like you don't even really have to wait for a very long time whenever you call them. It's really, really fast and they're very, very helpful. If you have questions about trading or different, you know, calls and puts and stuff like that, they can walk you through all of that. They're really, really helpful. And then they also have a bank, okay? Now, Robinhood has a ATM card or a debit card, but it's not the same as what you would get from Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab, they literally have a bank and it's similar to JP Morgan or it's similar to Bank of America. It's like a legit bank. And the Robinhood ATM card is just not, it's not legit at all. It's just very, I mean, it's almost like a gift card, I would want to say. It's almost something that you wouldn't want to really use. I mean, you can use it. I mean, it definitely has perks, but it's something that I wouldn't want to use all the time. It doesn't have a lot of perks. And also with Charles Schwab, they have things like you can withdraw money from ATMs around the world. You can get money from an ATM. Really, really simple. They have ATMs. So Robinhood is sort of at a disadvantage. Also, Charles Schwab offers retirement accounts. Now, young people are using Robinhood and they're investing with the Robinhood app. So I don't know why Robinhood hasn't started a retirement account. I mean, Stash has a retirement account already. Acorns has a retirement account, but Robinhood, which was one of the first, they don't have a retirement account. Like, this is just, I don't know why Robinhood is lagging here, but this is not good when it comes to, you know, being competitive in this space. Now, if you look at Charles Schwab, they definitely have a retirement account, and it's just that it just doesn't really look good for Robinhood. So do I really think Robinhood's going to go out of business? Honestly, I don't think Robinhood is going to go out of business. I think what will happen is nothing will happen. Nothing will happen at all because young people are using Robinhood because they like to use Robinhood. Okay, I don't think people are just going to switch. Now, if someone is, you know, if someone doesn't have an account and they're looking for an account to sign up for, if they're looking, you know, at Robinhood, at M1s, at Webull, or at Charles Schwab, I can kind of see why people would want to pick Charles Schwab. And if I was in that situation, I'd probably pick Charles Schwab just because of Charles Schwab has a lot of benefits and perks. But on the flip side, I'm not going to change my account. I'm just going to leave my Robinhood account the same. I really like Robinhood. I like the way that they're going. They're kind of slow on some things, and I did just recently open a Webull account, and I will be reviewing Webull very, very soon. And I think Webull is going to be definitely better than Robinhood. I think Webull is definitely going to give Robinhood a run for its money. But I think Charles Schwab, they wanted to come out and, you know, say that they're going to get rid of their fees right before Robinhood goes public, because Robinhood has plans on going public later this year. And I think that they want to just go ahead and, like, you know, throw a couple rocks at them while they can, you know, because I don't think Robinhood is going to go anywhere. But I'm very curious to see what will Robinhood be like in the future, and other products and other services that Robinhood will add, because there's a lot of things that they can add. I don't know, it seems like to me that they're kind of slacking, just to be honest. but these are just my 2 cents. Anyway, just wanted to make a quick video talking about this whole Robinhood situation, and I think this is really cool. It's gonna make this whole space a lot more competitive, and you're gonna have a lot more companies that were charging fees once before. Now they're not charging fees anymore. And you're also gonna have a lot of companies taking a lot of hits. Like last week when these companies announced that they're gonna get rid of their fees, not lower their fees, but eliminate all of their fees. Gosh, their stock price, like a lot of these companies, their stock price went down like crazy. Like TD Ameritrade, their stock price dropped by like 24%, yo. And a company like TJ Ameritrade, like 36% of their profits come from commission and trading, and they just lost all of that like last week. So I don't know who's really hurting. Is Robinhood hurting, or are these other big companies hurting? It seems like these other big companies are hurting as of now, but we'll see. They'll probably get a lot more people signing up for them very, very soon. But anyway, this video is over with. I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, y'all.